It's Kirby Chan here from Kirby Chan & Co. Today, Carrie and I are going to take you on a video tour of 42 Song Meadoway, located in the Hillcrest Village community, situated in the north end of Toronto. We are conveniently located at Don Mills and Steeles, just minutes from Highway 404 and 407, public transit, parks, and shopping. And the most sought after aspect of this location is that we are in the Arbor Glen Public School District, a top 20 school in Ontario. We are so close to the school that if you look down the street from the house, you can see Arbor Glen. If you've been waiting to live in this sought after neighborhood, look no further and imagine living in this beautiful home. You gotta come see this home in person. Don't miss out on this opportunity because it won't last long. Contact us at 416-305-8008 to book your private showing or get our open house schedule by emailing us info@kirbychan.com.